this for you. We got that connection, you know that's the truth.